Greetings and various assorted salutations. This is one of my operation manual tutorials on how to access various things in Canvas. Today we're looking at kind of how to access assignments and figure out what I need to work on. So typically what you would do is after signing into Canvas as directed, after going to the correct course, you will start at the home page. Now as you can see, we are currently in my research and development sandbox. So there really isn't anything here, but typically what would be here is any announcements, messages, things like that. To get to assignments though, to get to the course material, you're going to go to modules. I don't recommend using the assignments feature. This just gives you a list of everything. You're far better off going into modules where it is organized for ease of use. Now in the modules, different units will be broken up. So let me see here. Let's take a look at this propaganda one, for example. But essentially what we have here is this is a block of activities. Now, depending on the configuration, it may vary from course to course or unit to unit, but you may not be able to see all of the assignments for a given unit at first. In that case, there might be a checklist, something to that effect that says, please check here for a complete list of the assignments. And then typically, if that's the case, you would progress through, and with the completion of each activity or assignment, you would unlock the next activity or assignment. But right now we're just going to look at what an assignment looks like. So first we're going to look at this one here, because this is a standard assignment. You can tell by the little piece of paper with what looks like a pen or a pencil sticking out of it. What you do is you click on the title of the assignment, and then this will upload things here. Normally there will be a due date listed, there will be the amount of points the assignment is worth, and then there will be the method of submission. This says a file upload, so that means you're going to be uploading a file. But you'll need further instructions, which are posted right here. And essentially, like this assignment is basically saying, download this document, and then you're going to be editing this document and resubmitting it. So basically the idea here is you would download the document. I'll show you that in a second. Now to download the document, all you have to do is just click on the link. And you can see it appears down here. I'm using Google Chrome, by the way. It has been observed that Google Chrome and Firefox function the best. Microsoft Edge has had spotty functionality, and Microsoft Explorer, Internet Explorer, is technically no longer in use unless you're trying to access Skyward. Now you'll see right here the document is down here. I've accidentally downloaded it twice. That's okay. And essentially what you would do in this assignment is open up this document. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alrighty, so I opened it up and it says this is in protected view. So what you're going to have to do is click on Enable Editing. Doing so allows you to type in the document. So you can answer the questions here. Sometimes there'll be additional materials and instructions within, so you'll want to follow the instructions provided. After you do that, you will want to go to File, and you will want to click on Save As. Now, where you want to save this document will vary based on your personal usage. Essentially, I recommend saving to your OneDrive folder. I recommend you create a folder for each of your courses each semester, and you save your files in those. That way you can easily organize and find your assignments. You don't have to change the name of the document, but if you do, you could add your name to it like this. So dot, or you could do an underscore. Some people do this, however this is not required. And then you would hit save. But let's close that because we don't need to do that. And once you have worked on the assignment, you may not need Canvas while you're working on the assignment, or there may be additional resources posted here. When you've completed the assignment, go through and check the instructions, and it'll say that you need to submit the assignment. So what you will do is you will click up here at the top, Submit Assignment, and then it'll open up this menu of options. If you are requested to upload a document, like so you downloaded this document, you filled it out, you would click on and upload the file, and you would pull the file from wherever you saved it. Do note that if you didn't save it anywhere specifically, it'll probably be in your downloads folder. But once you have selected the file, you can choose the file, upload it, and hit Submit Assignment, and then the assignment is complete. And that is how you submit standard assignments.